to Drona HU. So as you all know, myself Madhushri and I'll be taking for mathematics, right, for the English medium. So yes, in the previous section also I did cover many interesting topic and a chapter. In that we solved many cases and problems, even today as well. Okay, where I'm going to bring you a new chapter and which is very interesting, and all many interesting topics will be included here. So the chapter name is called as a area related to circles. So when I say the area related to circles, what will be the some image will be there, right? Some image will be there in our mind. So what is that image? So area means something related to geometry, of course, yes, right? Yeah. And circles means something which is related to circle, right? Yes. So of course, yes, in this chapter we're going to see many topics which are related to circles, and we're going to solve those problems whichever we see. Okay, so before that, let's see what are the topic mainly which involves in this topic, and let's see what one by one all those topics. Okay, so now let's see the topics. So in this, first I'll do some introduction of a circle, because small introduction is a must, right? Yes, of course. So I'm going to do some introduction. I'm going to say some introduction about these circles. Then let's move on to the chapter. Okay. In that we're going to see the perimeter and area of a circles. Yes, of course, because it is very important. Since we are dealing with the area related to circles, we need to know the area of a circle, right? Which is very important. And then we're going to see areas of a sector and segment of a circle. Yes. So mainly this chapter is based on the sector and segment itself. Okay, even the problems also they may ask you based on this sector and segment. So let's see all this, and then finally areas of combination of plane figures. So combinations, like there will be two shapes, I can say two or more shapes. For example, it may include a square and circle, or a semicircle, triangle. So combination plane. Got it? So combination of a plane figures. Now without wasting, let's begin with the introduction of a circle, and let's move on to all these topics. Okay? Yes. So in that, first let's see introduction of a circle. See, the small definition I have given. What is that? The collection of all the points in the plane which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point in a plane is called as a circle. Okay. So here if it is a something, okay, so there are some points, so it's a collection of points, so they are fixed distance. Okay, it's not properly a circle, but that's what it is, the collection of all the points in a plane. So there is a collection of points in a plane which are at fixed distance, so it will be at fixed distance from the fixed point. So it will be some fixed point will be there. So here also the distance would be same, and even here also the distance would be same, and here also the distance would be same. So when I join these points, what we get? We get a circle. For example, if this is a point, a fixed point, so if there are many points on this plane, so if I join these points, I'm getting the circle. That's what the definition say. Okay, so let's see a small another definition which is very simple then compared to this. Okay, so I can say that the circle is a closed plane figure, right? So it is a closed one. See, if you see here, is there any open point? No, right? It is a closed one. So it is a closed plane figure. I can say all the points of the circle are equidistant from the fixed point. The same thing. So if I take the points on this, so they are equidistant from the fixed point. All the length would be same. Okay, here we call it as a radii, right? So if I draw like this, it will become a diameter. We need to know this. These are the basics of the circles. Then only we can move on to the chapter, right? So without basics, nothing can be constructed, right? Similarly, like how the basement is necessary for the construction of huge buildings, likewise the base is necessary for this as well. Okay, so this is about a small introduction about the circle. Now let's move on to the next slide and let's see what will be the topic. Okay, so the next one is a perimeter and areas of simple plane figure, right? See, we have seen many perimeter and area of the figure. So like rectangle, square, and then parallelogram and circle, I can say. 1 minute. So circle and triangle. So all these plane figures we have seen the areas and perimeter. So here in this chapter we are mainly dealing with the area and perimeter of circle. Okay, and we need to know all these plane figures also. Why? Because in the last topic what I told, the combination of plane figures. So it may include the rectangle, square, parallelogram, circle and the triangle also. That's why we need to know all these formulas also. That's very important, friend. Okay, so next let's see the next slide. So here see, in our day-to-day life we see many circular objects. For example, if I take, so here a cycle wheel, so that is also circular object, and the cake and the bangle, even the earrings will be there, right? So that will be also circular object. So we see many circular objects in our day-to-day life, right? So that is must, of course, yes. Then, so in this chapter we will be studying about the circumference and the perimeter of circles as well as the sector and segment. Okay, now this is the topic which we mainly study in this chapter. So let's now exactly start with the main topic of this chapter. So all this was an introduction. Now what I'll do here, let's see the perimeter and area of a circle. See, if you observe, the perimeter is also same as a circumference, I can say. How? See, the distance covered by traveling once around a circle is called as a perimeter of a circle, or it is also called as a circumference. For example, let me take a circle. Okay, so here if I take a girl, she is cycling here. Okay, so there will be a girl, she will be cycling on this. So what she will do, there will be a pole here. So what she will do, she will cycle around this pole in the circular way. So all this distance she covered in the circular way will be the circumference. Okay, so this is our circumference, or I can say it is also called as a perimeter of a circle. Okay, now let's see the formula of this circumference of a circle. See, only the definition is not important, even the formulas is important. Mainly in the maths, the formulas are very important, because without formulas we can't solve the problem, right? Yes. See, the circumference is given by the 2 pi r. See here 2 pi r, where r is nothing but a radius. Now let me solve a small problem on this circumference. Okay, where for example they had given a circle for us. So let me consider this radii given is 4. Okay, if they ask to find the circumference of a circle which is having a radii of 4, what you will do, you will just apply the formula that C is equals to 2 pi r, right, where r is equals to 2 into pi is how much, sorry, r is how much, it is 4. So C is equals to 8 pi. So this will be the circumference of circle. Sometimes the r value will be in the fraction if they give, okay, but usually they will give in the number itself, normal number. So it will natural number I can say, or sometimes not whole number they will not use, but natural number they will use. Okay, so sometimes they may give 6, sometimes they may give 8. It's fine, just apply to the formula and you can find the circumference of a circle. Now we saw here for the radii 4, the circumference was C is equals to 8 pi. Now what is this pi? So that should be having some value, right? Yes. Now let's see what is this pi is, and then let's see what will be the exact value of this pi. Okay, so here that is a symbol what we use for the pi, and this pi is actually is an irrational number. So we all know, right, a irrational number is nothing but the number which is not of the form p by q, where q will be, right, p by q. So it will be in the decimal number. So this pi is an irrational number and its decimal expansion is non-terminating and non-recurring. Okay, so mainly we're going to use 2 value for this pi. For the value will be like